Today we have a homemade ice cream recipe. Put in a blender condensed milk, 1 can of condensed milk, after you put a carton of heavy cream. Don't forget the milk, 500 milligrams of milk. Add a cup of chocolate powder, unflavor the gelatin powder. You have to hydrate the gelatin in 5 tablespoons of water and take to the microwave for 15 seconds. Add the gelatin in the cup blender. Clean up your mess if necessary. Turn the blender on for 4 minutes. After that, you pour it in a bowl, close it, and take it to the freezer for 2 or 3 hours till it's like a mousse. And after 3 hours, you are going to add 1 spoon of emulsifier and take it to the mixer for about 10 minutes or until the volume doubles. To make it more delicious, add some chocolate sprinkles. Stir gently with a spatula. And now you just divide the mixture into 2 bowls. Take them to the freezer, and after 8 hours or a little bit more if you want, and just enjoy it.